Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mindfully Kiki, and welcome to day 13 of Breathe and Flow, a 15-day yoga challenge. And of course, I am your host and yoga instructor, Kiki. So today we are going to focus on an energy boosting flow. So we're going to focus on getting our blood flowing in this vinyasa-like practice. So this may be a great morning practice to get you started for the day, or a great afternoon practice to boost your energy for the rest of the day. So for this practice, you'll need a yoga strap and 2 yoga blocks. So grab those things and we'll get started. So we're going to start in Tadasana or mountain pose. So make sure your feet are planted on the mat. You can have them together or hip width apart, your choice. And then bring your shoulders up towards your ears and bring them down and back just to open your chest. Hands down by your side and standing tall. Let's start with 3 breaths here. So let's inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. Inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. One more time, inhale. And open the mouth and exhale. On your next inhale, reach your arms up above your head. On your exhale, we're going to come into chair pose. So bend your knees, send your hips back and down into a squat. Reach your arms above your head and keep your arms in line with your spine. And take about 3 breaths here on your own. And here, just realize how you're feeling the energy from your feet start to rise up into your legs and your hips, through your torso, your shoulders, all the way up your arms into your fingertips. And then bring your hands to heart center. From here, we're going into a twist. So inhale first. On your exhale, twist your upper body to the right. So your elbows are out to your sides and you're twisted to the right. And here you may find that your left elbow is connected to the outside of your right thigh. And that's okay if it isn't. Stay with your upper body twisted to the right and breathe. And we're going to stay in our twisted chair pose. Shift your weight to your right foot and lift your left leg up, and then step it back behind you with the ball of your left foot on the mat. So your right knee is still bent. And then go ahead and bring your upper body up, facing forward. So we're coming out of our twisted lunge and coming to a regular high lunge. Take a breath here. And from here, you can bring your hands down to the mat to the inside of your foot and step your right foot back into a plank. And we are going to go through a vinyasa. So start to lower your body down to the mat. Tops of the feet are down. And then inhale as you lift your upper body up, pressing into the mat, coming into a cobra. And you can come up as far as you like. And then exhale back down to the mat. Tuck your toes under. We're going to press up through plank back to downward facing dog. Let your heels reach down to the mat. Press through your hands, keeping your hips up, and let your head hang between your arms. Breathe here. And then keeping the left foot down, lift your right leg up behind you. And then we're going to bend that knee and bring that knee forward into your chest like you're coming into a plank, but your knee is lifted. So bring it right in between your chest. And then reach that leg back out to your three-legged dog. So shifting back. And this time you're going to plant your foot between your hands or right behind your right wrist. And then plant the back foot down behind you and reach your arms up, coming into a warrior one. So from here, you're going to bring your right hand down to the inside of the right foot. Reach for your strap and then bring your strap behind you around your back. Once you have your hand behind your back, go ahead and reach your right arm underneath your right thigh and reach for the strap. Once you grab the strap, go ahead and start to bring your hands towards each other along the strap. And keep your chest open so your chest is facing towards the left. And take about 2 full breaths here. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. From here, you can release your hands from the strap. Put the strap off to the side or to the top of the mat. And then bring your hands to the inside of your right foot. We're stepping back to our plank. And going through our vinyasa one more time. So lowering down to the mat. You can lower the whole body down, or you can bring your knees down and then lower your upper body down to the mat. Once you're there, tops of the feet are down. Inhale, lift your upper body up, pressing into the mat, coming into your cobra, your back bend. And then exhale down to the mat. Tuck your toes under. And then we're pressing up through plank and then pressing back to downward facing dog. You can adjust your downward dog here and then take a full breath. This time, keeping your right foot down, lift your left leg up behind you. And then you're going to bend your knee and shift forward like you're coming into a plank, but bring your knee in between your chest. So your knee is coming towards your nose. And then exhale, bring your knee back out behind you, shifting back to your three-legged downward dog. And this time we're stepping forward, so bringing that knee in as you step the foot either between your hands or behind the left wrist. Plant that foot down. And then you can plant your back foot down on the mat, reach your arms up, coming back to our warrior one. From here, bring your left hand down inside of your left foot. Reach your right arm up. Reach for your strap with your right hand. Once you have your yoga strap, bring that strap behind your back. So bring your arm behind your back with the strap. And once you do that, take your left hand and bring it underneath your left thigh and reach for the strap. Keep your chest open. Once you're grabbing the strap, start to bring your hands towards each other. And keeping that bend in the left knee. Breathe here. We're going to take 2 full breaths. Let's inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And then release your hands from the strap. Put the strap off to the side. Bring your hands down to the inside of your left foot and step back to your plank. We'll go through our vinyasa one more time. So lowering down to the mat. Tops of the feet are down. You'll inhale as you lift your upper body up, pressing through your hands. And then exhale down. Tuck the toes under. We're pressing up through your plank, back to your downward facing dog. Once you've taken a full breath, lift your left leg up behind you. This time we're going to step that left foot forward, either between your hands or to the back of the left wrist. And stay on the ball of your right foot. Reach your arms up, coming into a high lunge. Bring your hands to your heart. Take an inhale here, and then exhale as you twist to your right. So keeping the elbows out to the side, upper body is twisted to the right. You may find that your right elbow connects to the left knee. If it doesn't, that's okay. Keep your upper body twisted. From here, you're going to lift your right foot and step forward into your twisted chair pose. So keeping a bend in the left and the right knee. So you're coming into your chair pose or your squat. Take a breath. And then come into a regular chair pose. Coming out of your twist, reach your arms up above your head and keeping your arms in line with your spine. Breathe in your chair pose. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And then inhale as you stand tall, reaching your arms up towards the ceiling. And exhale to mountain pose, arms down by your side. And we'll end here in our mountain pose for 3 breaths. So let's inhale together. Open the mouth and exhale. Inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. One last time. Inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. Thanks for joining me for our energy boosting yoga flow. And of course, I want to hear from you. How did you like this practice? What was your favorite part? Did you feel energized? Did you break a sweat? Let's talk about it in the comments, and I'll see you all tomorrow for day 14 of our Breathe and Flow Yoga Challenge.